Alright. Alright, I know. Stormy, you were literally just wearing that shirt in the last video you uploaded. You're right. This is 10 minutes after I recorded that same video. Could I have changed shirts? Yes. Am I going to? No. But we are going to be doing Stormy from Samurai Squids. I don't know if I said that. We are going to be doing a Crunchyroll unboxing. This one's for April, I believe. We still need the February one. This should be the last one other than the February one that I'm going to be getting, because I canceled it. I'm not going to get the May one. And then on top of that, like, did someone want to know what was in my box, or, because I don't know. Let's just unbox it, you know? Cut it open. Alright, we got it open. I lied. We didn't. Wow. I really hope I'm not missing something. I got a piece of the box, first of all. Crunchyroll, you shouldn't have. How did you know this is what I wanted this whole time? Like, a piece of the box? Like, stop it. You do go on. Athena, do you want this? Here. First of all, we have just a silver pin that doesn't click right. There we go. Nope, it's stuck. I have high hopes for this. The next thing, pin makes sense. The pin makes sense now, okay? Because we have a black clover notebook with black pages, so we can write stuff on it. Oh no, that does not smell good. But like, it's just like a plain pin. I guess the theme is never give up. There's stuff on the back, but I'm not gonna look at it. What's that? That was a wet nose. Mobile Suit Gundam. Mobile Brain. Mobile Suit Gundam. Stickers. Wow. Classy. They will be going on that door right there. Probably right in this blank spot. That's where these will go. I guess it's cool. I'm okay with it. And then we have a bag with another bag in that bag. This is from the God of High School. And it's... oh, it smells horrendous. Do I fit in? Am I cool? I don't know how people can sleep with those. But I'm not, I'm not mad at this look. I'm not mad at it. I am mad at the smell. It smells like spray paint. And then the next thing we have is... I thought you were on the other side. A little pin of the Crunchyroll girl eating ramen, which will go on my little pin board. See? Then the final thing is the shirt that has debris all over it from my exploding box. This is the shirt. I'm not mad at it. It doesn't even smell bad. It is from Haiku, the volleyball anime, and number 10 is Hinata's number. I have a feeling that my husband will steal this shirt from me because I'm more of a Kageyama fan. But I do like this shirt, so I am happy with the fumes of the the headpiece are gonna... What did I just say? It was in the box. This is the Crunchyroll thing. It literally says that there's 5 things in here. You have the black clover, black stationery with gel pin. That was the whole thing. That's the exclusive pin. It's all exclusive, so that should feel special, right? Right? I did get that extra. I did get that extra piece of box, right? There were no, like, the one of the good things about Akibento was there was at least, like, variations to what you could get. This is all just set pieces. So everyone got the same thing, so I'm just like everyone else. Yay. Then where we go from there is still up in the air. I'm thinking about doing a unboxing of Tokyo Treat again, or maybe another one kind of like that. If you have ideas or suggestions, I'm open to them. But yeah. No, I didn't just put this shirt over my other shirt with magic. It fits him. Anyway, Aries, I was telling them exploded box. Am I right? There's someone behind me. Until next time, my little potato chips.